Hey, Katrina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Lay subscription from Archer and Olive. If you're new to this, I've placed details down below. There's also a link for you to save 10% off your first purchase. Thank you by using my link. Now let's see what's in store for us this quarter. Okay, first up is a pen and accessory bag. It's in the royal blue and light blue, which seems to be the theme colors this month. It has their ampersands on the pull tabs, which is really nice, is that there are plenty of spaces for all of our acrylic pens that we've bought in the past subscription boxes or orders. So they fit tightly in there and probably will not move around as you travel with them. Okay, let's see what we should pick up next. Here is this vellum envelope that has this beautiful wax seal on it. This is a first for me. This happens to be a print that they designed with their iconic designs and the theme of the colors that seem to be going throughout this box. I'm really trying not to break that seal because I want to reuse it. I have the power to create change. What a powerful statement they gave us. I'm keeping this one on my desk so I can look at it daily while I do my journaling. Right, let's see what is up next. Okay, this happens to be something very clever this time. Weekly calendar sticker roll. I do not know how many are on the roll per se, but it is repetitive in pattern with the blue, and then I'm going to say kind of a peachy coral. Once again, I'm trying to unpeel it very carefully because anything that comes from this company I try to reuse in my journal. So it's very clever. They have little blank calendars for us to use and also notes in 3 different colors. And I'm looking forward to using those in my journals instead of having to write out my calendars every time I want to put one in my journal. Okay, as I put this away, I know what is coming up next, and I am so excited to show you guys these books. Dun, dun, dun! Yes, 3 miniature journals. How cute are these journals? This one is in a dark blue cloth cover, and it has 112 pages for us to use. As I take off the thing to show you inside, same type of paper that we use in the 5As and the other journals that we've received. And then instead of silver, this time they use a rose gold, I'm going to say, for the answer sign on the bookmarks. How darling! I cannot wait to use this. Okay, let's see what's in the next one. As I unwrap this one to show you, I just want to remind you that each of these are 3.5 by 5.5 in measurement. This is a light blue cloth cover, and if you've noticed, when they give us the different papers, they give us the sample of what it's going to look like inside. So with the brown cover, yes, it is craft paper. Another 112 pages for us to use, and another bookmarker that is in the rose gold. So this is quite a treat to have these 3.5 by 5.5 miniature journals to use. Okay, here's the last one. Let's see what type of paper is going to be in this one. You got it. It's the blackout paper book. 112 pages for us to use, and I have never had one of these, so I'm looking forward to using my bright color pens or even getting a white or silver pen to draw and journal in it. And once again, they have used the rose gold to keep up with the theme on the bookmarks. I think it's so cute. Cannot wait to try this one out. Okay guys, check this out. This was a awesome treat to have in our box this time. It has calligraphy brush pens and a practice lettering set. 5 pens, 3 cards. But first, let's talk about this box. It was well thought out when they created it. It has a magnetic side to it, so if it falls off your desk or if you're traveling with it, you won't have to worry about your pens falling out. I love the manufacture of this box. Now these cards have kind of a shiny finish to it, so once you practice tracing over those numbers, you can wipe it right off and try again. Here's a saying: I am creating the life of my dreams. Once again, you can just practice right over it, and last but not least, some ABCs until you figure out what your style is. Now these pens, the first one is a coral peachy color, which ties in with the weekly calendar sticker roll, and it has the brush tip, and on the other side, as you'll see, is kind of more of a firm tip for us to practice our different types of lettering. Along with the peach, it also came with, I'm going to say, kind of an off-white grayish taupe color that is showing up on the camera. I do not know the official names for these, so sorry about that. Then they give us 3 blues. There's a light blue, then I'm going to just say blue, and then the last one to me is kind of more of a cobalt blue, maybe on the slight edge of purplish, but I like the blue. Looking forward to using these new brush pens and practice cards so then I can start lettering in my journals. Okay, up next is another sticker book. Each of them has 3 sheets of these Madness stickers. Check out that foil. I'm going to try to reuse that in my journal because I love reusing things like that. Okay, these ones have some habit tracker ones that you might want to use, and then numbers for you to use for page numbers or for calendar or for a list. The next one, it didn't really show up, but those are the days of the week up on top there. And then they gave us some shapes. Check out these hexies. I am a hexie lover. Cannot wait to put those in my journal. As you see, there's 3 of them. And last but not least, another Monday through Friday stickers with some more of their iconic geometric shapes that they love to put on their products. Okay, next up is another unique product Archer and Olive put in our box this time. They're envelopes, and what makes them unique is that they have sticky on the back of them, so you can stick them right inside your journals. As you can see in a second, I'll flip it over so you can see it. And it came in a peach, a blue, and a taupe color. I'm looking forward to using those inside my journal. Last but not least, they have also given us some coloring pages. Who doesn't like coloring pages? I really like how they did the cutout of the holder for the pages. I think I might turn that into something to use for my mixed media. Here are some of their iconic shapes that they used on the front of their journals, and some other pages that kind of look like repeative patterns that you can color, maybe even cut up and put inside your journal. Some triangles, and I apologize in advance that there was a next page between this page with some cats on it. I'm so sorry that they got stuck together and I wasn't able to show you guys. All right, that is it for the subscription journal box for this month. See you next time. Thank you for watching, and remember, messy hands, happy life.